everybody, and welcome back to another exciting edition of Beach Bum 101. Today, I have totally stepped out of my comfort zone and have tried to remodel my office. As you can see behind me, things are a little bit different. We're going to show you the process of how we got here. I want to give a big shout out and horns up to my wife, Sandy, who helped a great deal in this. We're going to see how it goes and see how we like it, but we may wind up doing a little bit of a change as time goes on. I don't know. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to, like, comment, and subscribe. Be my guest. We always love new subscribers and new viewers to the channel. So I hope everybody has a great day. You guys take care, and we will see you soon. Thanks. Perfect. Wet.
You think you need both of them?
I don't know yet. Maybe not.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
close the door, close that garage door coming into the garage.
It don't touch that door, that wall. They're not connected, you're good.
All right. Now you want to put that, get that up off the floor?
You can actually put that on a shelf. If you're gonna put shelves there,
We can. Perfect.
not going to.
You want to be part of it, aren't you, Molly?
No, she's just gonna be a bitch and bring it
You only get the top two,
But
but then the bottom two can be for stuff that's really not camera friendly, and depending
See?
on where we move it, yeah, perfect. Okay.
let's see how level that is. Yeah, it's a lot leveler than it was over here. You said you wanted something to light that up?
Well, I don't know yet if we need that.
No, but look.
Oh, that's perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Is that what you wanted?
Absolutely.
Do you want it here too, back here to where it illuminates it more?
I love it.
You want them, both of those lights?
Yeah, let's go with that.
There you go.
The other stuff.
Can't push it. Just, no, the cord's right here. Yeah, that's what's holding it. You'll have it down further, I think.
Have that down further?
No, you'll have that down.
Oh, absolutely, yeah, because I'm, okay, well then we can put that chair right there and then hide that.
There you go. Is that better?
Yeah, because then if it goes down.
The box. You want something where the eyes go in it too?
No.
Do you want it that close?
For right now, just for the filming of showing what
What you putting in there?
what we're doing, yeah.
What you're doing?
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Perfect.
Got better.
Yep. All right.
Here's this. You can put this probably beside the chair or behind it.
Put it, let's put it behind it.
And then here's your signs. There you go. What do you think that is?
I have no idea.